Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have JBL Clip 4 and I'm going to show you how can you easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues. So, at first we have to check if we have enabled media audio. To do this we just have to scroll down to our control panel, then hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to go into our device info. As you can see, I have media audio enabled, but if you have it disabled, you might have some issues. As you can see, if I have it disabled, I am not connected with my device. But if I enable it, now I'm connected. That's it. The second way to check and to fix is just to do hard reset. To do hard reset, we have to hold our finger on plus button and Bluetooth button at the same time for some amount of time. Our speaker will automatically power off. As you can see, it worked. Now we have to power up it. Now it should help. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.